Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. A reward of $3 million is being offered for information to help the police catch the criminals who abducted a woman in St. Andrew on May 30. Lorna Robertson, also known as Nikki, was abducted while walking along Old Hope Road and has not been seen since. The Jamaica Labour Party scrutineer was reportedly approached by a man who dragged her into a vehicle fitted with a fake license plate.
After consulting with the chairman of the party and the deputy leader for this area council, having discussed the very tragic circumstances under which one of our workers was abducted in southeast St. Andrew, we have been taking note of it. We hear certain squeals happening.
JLP leader and Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says he is hoping the police will quickly find a lead into the matter.
So we have decided that we will put up a reward for information of 3 million Jamaican dollars for information leading to the arrest of those persons who abducted our worker. We find it a very troubling occurrence, and we do not intend to stop until we find out who are the people behind it, whoever they are connected to.
Dr. Holness was addressing a recent JLP Workers' Appreciation Ceremony in St. Andrew West Rural. A community